I always like to throw a lot of this data here to show something a little bit about the sophistication of the DSST and the DANTES program. It's been around for over 30 years. It's not something that was brought up overnight. And as a result, we've credited over 1 million college credits since 2010. We have over 270 on-base locations, and I know a lot of you guys are here today, so welcome. Over 1,000 college and university partners. These are institutions that accept DSST and other credit by examinations for credit. Unlimited seats worldwide with remote assessment now. So we do now have the ability to deliver these assessments remotely. It's not taken over the business, but it is an opportunity for those who might not be able to make it into a center to be able to test outside of regular business hours. And then I love the 350,000 just exams since 2010. I think that number right there shows how many people we've been able to help through the help of DANTES. And then ACE accreditation. This is how we get these exams approved through the institutions. It's through that ACE accreditation.